In the words of the Bible, the earth has yielded its produce. God, our God, blesses us. Gardening is a beautiful journey of self-sufficiency and provision. Plus, it's a great excuse to play in the dirt. So today I'm going to share with you the best vegetables to grow for your survival garden. Spoiler alert, they're all delicious. First, let's talk about why a survival garden is essential. Because let's face it, you can't eat your smartphone. It's all about being prepared, ensuring you have a steady supply of fresh, nutritious food no matter what happens. Zombie apocalypse? No problem. Plus, growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. And it gives you bragging rights at the next neighborhood BBQ. Now let's dive into the best veggies to grow. Drumroll, please. Number 1, root vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and beets. They're like the superheroes of the garden world. These are easy to grow, store well, and are packed with nutrients. Plus, they're great for playing hide-and-seek in the soil. Plus, they can be preserved in root cellars for months. Talk about a long-lasting relationship. Next up, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and lettuce. They're like the salad bar of your garden. These grow quickly and provide essential vitamins and minerals, and they make you feel like Popeye. Just imagine a fresh salad from your garden in no time. No more sad store-bought salads. Don't forget legumes like beans and peas. They're the protein-packed powerhouses. They are high in protein and can be dried for long-term storage. Perfect for when you want to feel like a pioneer. Perfect for soups and stews during the winter months. Nothing says comfort like a hearty bean stew. And finally, vining crops like squash and cucumbers. They're the overachievers of the garden. These are prolific producers, meaning you'll get a lot of food from just a few plants. It's like they're trying to win a vegetable marathon. Plus, they can be canned or pickled to enjoy year-round. Pickles, anyone? To ensure success, start your seeds indoors if you can. It's like giving them a head start in the race of life. Prepare your soil well with compost or organic matter, and keep your plants consistently watered. Think of it as a spa day for your garden. Use natural pest control methods like companion planting or organic sprays, because nobody likes uninvited guests, especially bugs. And don't forget to preserve your harvest with techniques like canning, drying, and freezing. It's like giving your veggies a second life. In conclusion, a survival garden is a fantastic way to ensure food security and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends. Start small, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving garden providing for you and your family. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Because who doesn't want more garden goodness in their life?